TIG welded up the little flap that was rust jacking off the swing arm. Fairly pitted, but it's got plenty of steel there, so it's going to be fine. Started doing a bit of a relief so that we can get inside and put some anti-corrosion or some rust inhibitor in there, and then I'll move on to taking some of the weight out of all of these extra flanges and brackets off the swing arm. There's the swing arm ready for paint. Probably some more we can take off it, but all cleaned up. Today we finished off tidying up the triple clamps. Front forks were done last week, and then over the weekend the swing arm was done. Swing arm's ready for paint. So next is the processing of the frame. Not the easiest to get into a drill press. Had to move the little drill to the floor. Okay, this is comical. Drill press on a stool with a completely different base. Swapped out the head for the small one and clamped it on just to do some lightning holes. Well, tonight we started the process of taking the weight out of the frame. Looks like I got a new set of drills for Christmas. Here's what came off. All of the brackets, stand brackets. There's some 6mm plate, there's some 8mm plate, solid pins for the spring holders. A lot of weight in that.